The only way that you can have the value be very different in two places is if there's a lot of friction. And if there's friction, someone will make a business of removing that friction. So I don't see any realistic scenario where XRP has significantly different value unless something's wrong.
I developed on the Ethereum platform and then I gave up on the Ethereum platform. I'm here to tell you that Ethereum does not work.
There's the network capability, so that real time will be a possibility as well. But we may also see Ripple XRP moving across the Swift network as a currency when we're perhaps using something like FX.
You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
If you got a bag, welcome to the party. Welcome back to some more Moon O'Clock News. No breakfast, no coffee, no FUD, just straight extra bullishness. Shout out to the latest sub, Joe Kells in the building. Appreciate you stopping by. Go ahead, throw on those pilot shades. Buckle up, because the future's extra bright. Let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. We got the total global cryptocurrency market cap today at 1.12 trillion, up about 1% in the past 24 hours. We got XRP in the number 6 spot, 37.5 cents, up about 0.7% in the past 24 hours. We got BTC, 23K, ETH, 1600, and we got Stellar XLM in the number 29 spot, still about 11.5 cents, down about 0.7% in the past 24. Ripple says streamlined digital asset management, optimized pricing, expanded access to capital, accelerated customer growth. That's the power of the Ripple's liquidity hub. Learn how the solution will make buying, selling, and holding crypto more efficient, all running on your favorite digital asset, XRP. Elizabeth Warren says today would be a great day for President Biden to cancel student debt. John Deaton replies and says today would be a great day for you to agree to meet with the 800 plus XRP holders residing in Massachusetts that asked for a meeting with you to discuss how they are being harmed by the SEC. Notorious XRP using XRP to create instantaneous settlement with a little mix of Notorious XRP flavor. All roads lead to the bridge.
On-demand liquidity, senders would actually fund locally in their local currency. As you can see, they're funding in US dollars. We're using XRP, the digital asset, to create instantaneous settlement of that or conversion of that local fiat into destination fiat. And so I'm just going to skip to the next slide so it stops moving on me. But ultimately, that conversion from USD to, say, Filipino peso happens instantaneously through the use of the digital asset XRP. It's sent over to a receiver like our strategic partners like Neum, who you heard from today. And ultimately, Neum and our receivers then disperse that out to the end beneficiaries. So the reason why this one of the comments or kind of enhancements or requests that we heard was, hey, we don't like pre-funding anywhere.
Bitcoin was just a test. Welcome to the new XRP standard. First, we had the internet, and welcome to the internet of value running on the XRP ledger. FLR Finance, FLR Drops, Cost, and Alpha is now open for testing. You can now mint NFTs without writing a single line of code for free on Costin. Come try it out to prepare for the launch of FLR Drops on Songbird. Costin.drops.flare.finance. XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP is fighting for an important support level. XRP Analysis Coin is fighting for an important support level. XRP is struggling to maintain above the important 37-cent price level as the market becomes bearish again. Following the unlocking of 1 billion tokens from the escrow wallet, XRP's price really faced a serious obstacle as traders and investors started to rapidly sell their holdings prior to the potential of the 1 billion sellout. Ripple officially entered the local uptrend on July 1st after it closed above the previous low, forming a higher low pattern, which shows an upcoming reversal. Later on, XRP climbed above the 50-day exponential moving average, which was one of the strongest signals for a reversal rally in the last 140 days. As for now, bulls are actively trying to hold the line against the existing selling pressure caused by the aforementioned unlocking of 1 billion tokens. and the fading bullishness of the cryptocurrency market. As we mentioned before, the rally on Ethereum and Bitcoin might be misleading considering the lack of fundamental recovery signs. Despite the negative sentiment around the crypto market, XRP remains in an uptrend and does not show signs of reversals back to below 35 cents. At press time, bears reported more than 100 million of the XRP on the market, which is considerably relatively low selling or buying volume for the token. XRP has currently fallen below that support, currently at 37.5 cents. BPM Wallet's August airdrop. The August snapshot will take place at some time between now and the end of the month. We will announce the date once the airdrop has completed. The ratio will be 1 to 5. BPM holders will receive a 20% airdrop. August airdrop will be followed by further 10 monthly snapshots and airdrops. Airdrops are for the BPM holders only. Load up on some BPM while you still have some time. XRP news. Nobody's AUDC to leverage Ripple's XRP ledger for cost-efficient cross-border payments. This is important. Nobody. Global ID in the near future. You'll keep your driver's license, insurance cards, passports, and other important documentation in your digital ID wallet. Explore the latest piece in our Global ID 101 series to learn more. Digital asset investor. Congress investigating the SEC, Bill Hinman and Jay Clayton over China ties around ETHgate is the national security issue of your time. Who will be the American hero who calls for this to be investigated? All the evidence is there. Jay Clayton was warned and ignored it. Get the jumpsuits and get those jail cells ready.
I think when you look at traditional schools of thought around geopolitical power, you have, of course, military power, and you have economic power, and you have the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. So I think people are very concerned that should, because of these innovations in digital assets in particular, if there really is a movement towards certain stablecoins, for example, payment stablecoins that are not, clearly they're not digital fiat because that would be a CBDC. And they're also not tokenized commercial bank money. And so if there's ambiguity over that regulation and over what those stablecoins might be, people are really worried that that's going to be a movement away from the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. And that is a national security issue for the United States, as well as a deeply monetary policy issue as well. So that's just one example. But of course, if you have other things, if you have innovation, if you have capital investment, if you have talent, all moving offshore, that's something that people see as a concern as well. And you've seen that with other sectors that have moved offshore that can put the US at a competitive disadvantage. It can be detrimental, to our standing in the world. And I think from COVID, you've seen some issues when you've had we've got a lack of onshoring facilities. And so this is really, I think, things that people are thinking about, and it's things that people are concerned about. And I think there are also concerns about what does it mean, again, from a geopolitical perspective, if should another currency arise as the world's reserve currency, or if there's a non-state currency, so to speak, that becomes a world's reserve. That's another thing that I think people are very concerned about.
Bloomberg TV. A bout of jitters in the global markets over deepening U.S.-China tensions weighed on cryptocurrencies, pushing Bitcoin lower for a third day. The largest digital token fell as much as 1.6% to 22,769 on Tuesday, and it was trading at 22,860 as of 2:57 p.m. in Tokyo. Bearable Bull, does XRP have two different prices, one on the public and one on the private ledger? Joel Katz answers directly.
Of XRP be the same in the private ledgers as it is on the public?
Yes. The value proposition of XRP is that it has these liquidity pools. It doesn't make sense to isolate something. Like there's no place where gold is worth twice as much as it is now, because if there was, people would just bring gold there and they would write and they would they would buy gold somewhere else and they would sell it there. Unless the only way that you can have the value be very different in two places is if there's a lot of friction. And if there's friction, someone will make a business of removing that friction. So I don't see any realistic scenario where XRP has significantly different value unless something's wrong.
Bullish momentum. XLM is going to be major for retail. Not saying they won't be big in the B2B sector either, just like I'm saying XRP won't be huge in the retail sector. MoneyGram International's transfers are near instant. And MoneyGram receives a settlement before it pays out to the customer, which is unheard of in the traditional remittance space. MoneyGram, XLM. Also, great opportunity for developers to begin to get their hands dirty with the upcoming smart contract tech from the SDF, introducing Soroban, a smart contract platform built by Stellar Development Foundation. Test it out to see what you can do. Let us know what you think. XRP Homegirl says, lot of ish happening tomorrow. Keep your heads on a swivel. Solar storm from the hole in the sun will hit Earth on Wednesday, August 3rd. Crypto Eddie, I'm slow, but I'm steady. Thank you very much. Congratulations to Crypto Eddie hitting 100K subscribers. 100K, the first stop, next stop. We'll see you up on the moon. We got the Apex XRPL Dev Summit back September 6th through the 8th, Las Vegas, Nevada. If you're going to be in town, come stop by the XRP Bags Meetup listening party. Friday, September 9th, 2022, free event here, Las Vegas. If you want to check it out, I'll have a link down below. The Apex XRPL Dev Summit is the 6th through the 8th of September. Our meetup will be the same week of the XRP Apex, which will be on September 9th. If you plan on attending the XRPL Apex, make sure to sign up at apexdevsummit.com. We will have live music performances and a Moonshot 3 live listening party featuring Lady E, the Bagman, Crypto Tells, and we got a live band with Berserker, E4, and Nerdy. Hit the link down below if you're interested in coming to the Las Vegas meetup here in Las Vegas. We'll be there with live music and a band here in Las Vegas. If you're interested, hit the link down below to RSVP. We'll see you here in town in Las Vegas. With that being said, Bagman and Bag Lady, central banks and institutions are testing XRP with 10,000 per coin. Wait for the flip the switch moment, and you'll be a multi-cryptonaire. XRP trains left the station, 10K, the end game. All roads lead to the bridge. That's because Ethereum doesn't work.
Started out as a developer on the Ethereum platform. I developed on the Ethereum platform, and then I gave up on the Ethereum platform. I'm here to tell you that Ethereum does not work, that if you are looking at developing on the Ethereum platform, you should stop looking. You should look at EOS, because that's a viable platform and you can build something on EOS. Stellar is also a viable platform. You can build something on Stellar. You're not going to be building something useful on Ethereum.
All roads lead to the bridge, instant settlements, interoperability. First, we had the internet. Welcome to the internet of value. We had BTC, the test. Now welcome to the new XRP standard.
Here we're looking at the new network styles which allow instant real-time movement of the funds and visibility of those funds as well. So we would not have a situation where banks need to come back to you and say, have my funds arrived? It's 3 days later. I need to find query messages moving around the network. There's nothing like that. I don't believe Ripple is going to replace SWIFT. Ripple is one of the complementary networks which is going to allow those institutions who need real time to make use of that. And I think we're also seeing that SWIFT are changing their network capability so that real time will be a possibility as well. But we may also see Ripple XRP moving across the SWIFT network as a currency when we're perhaps using something like FX.
Bitcoin was just a test. Ethereum doesn't work. XRP, the new standard, interoperability will be key. All roads lead to the bridge. Where will you be when that rocket takes flight? XRP, 37.5 cents. The opportunity of multiple lifetimes. I am the XRP Bagman, the Moon Commander, currently up here on the mothership, stuffing some bags and enjoying the show. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing those likes for some more Moon O'Clock news. Hope y'all continue to stay extra bullish out there. Continue holding those good vibes. Remember to sell the FUD, buy up that bag. Don't forget to spread that liquid love. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a subscribe. Drop a comment down below. All the OGs, drop a comment down below and drop an elbow on that like button from the top rope. We'll catch you up here on the mothership for the moon party. BYOB. Peace out, Crypto Ghost.
Ships about the equator. All you had to